Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to Transmedia.
Yay! Welcome to Transmedia. I have my green screen, just 4 sheets of A3 paper. No, not 4. I had 4, now I have 8. So I can have it bigger. It's like 2 meters tall and 135 wide, so then I can stand a little closer. I don't have to stand all the way here, you know. I can move all around and stuff without getting cut off, you know. So that's very nice. Next thing I will want to make with some plastic tubing. I'll make this holder, or I can have it stand alone on the middle of the floor and stuff, and even outside. That will be cool. The good thing about using paper is it's not see-through at all, so you can have it outside. You don't have to have it on a wall. You can, you know, it's very nice in that sense. But the bad thing about it is it takes up a lot of room. You can't roll it up and hide it, you know. That's what's so good about the fabric. But well, it works. On the cheap, yeah, it's 25 Norwegian kroners for one A3 paper, so that's 200 Norwegian kroners for the paper. It's not, well, it's cheap, but you have to pay a little bit. But the cardboard, you can find that for free. But the PVC pipe, I looked up, I need like 3 lengths of 3 meters or something, because they only come in 3 meters. I need 2 lengths of 2 meters and 1 length of 1.4 or something. And then therefore, well, I could buy 2 lengths of 3 meters or 2 lengths of 2 meters. I mean, they come in 2 meters. So 3 lengths of 2 meters. I like 50 millimeter pipe and 2 bends. That's all I need. But that's like 400 Norwegian kroners as well, so oh yeah, you know. But I will get some fabric green screen too. And when I have these pipes, I can use clamps. It's very much easier, of course. But it works, as you can see. Like now. Hey, now I'm here. I don't know what I will put back here yet. But I know, maybe like New York or something. Picture, video, you know. And it's very cool. Nice to have some green screen. Alright, that's it for now. Do it yourself, green screen. Bye bye then.